planning a bathroom renovation, we find it super important to create a functional space that suits your lifestyle.
You're absolutely correct, and that's something we consider, whether it's a practical family bathroom or modern look, to increase the value of your home.
With a huge bathroom such as this one, where possible, go big.
Lucky for us, high-growth bathrooms have plenty of styles to suit any bathroom design. When you're on a budget, there's nothing worse than a plumber chasing you for tap wheel or having to compromise on your overall design because a product doesn't fit.
I couldn't agree with you more.
So make sure you avoid rush decisions.
Draw a plan and consider where your bath and basin goes in relation to your windows.
And as always, speak to your tradies to make sure you're getting the best out of your products and your space. So what you working on here?
So what I've actually done is I've marked out the space. In the house that we're in, it's modern, classic, contemporary, very Hamptons inspired as well. I would really love a herringbone floor as you walk in. And what I want to do is I want to have a darker floor with the Jones & Jones timber vanity.
Yeah, Jones & Jones.
With the stone bowls on top. I would really love to use the new Ollie range in the bathroom upstairs.
These are fantastic, really cute.
I think it's going to look magic.
Well, I think the colours work really well.
And then as you look over to the windows, there'll be a big stone bath. And
right in the middle of that big window there, that's going to be perfect.
Just picture you in there with a glass of wine, feeding grapes to yourself.
Someone feeding me the grapes, preferably.
Or feeding grapes to yourself.
That's right. Hey, he's a good looking guy feeding it to himself.